It's a big moment. Got your plate, I've got your registration. Ready for this? This was originally meant for La C8 American Muscle, but we're gonna put it on your Italian Bull.
Who was in charge of this, first of all?
Dave, it was all Dave.
Great.
It was all Dave. Look at your custom plate.
No. You're joking. Drive with this on my car?
Yeah, you have to drive with that on your car.
It's like a year.
Come on, you'll be famous.
A year? I'm not gonna be famous. I'm gonna get on.
Show the audience what it is. Carol Baskin.
That's so amazing.
Now what you need to do, you need to tell the audience, okay, all you cool cats and kittens, listen to my Lamborghini purr. Fire it up. We gotta hear it. Let's hear the Lamborghini purr.
Oh, I hear it purr. Exotic cars, exotic cat.
Let's go, Mia Baskin. Let's hear it purr. Rev it. All right, guys, let's go for a rip. We have a special project sitting over at Wrapworks that's getting wrapped up, and then you guys are gonna get to see pretty quick the reveal of the world's first and only supercharged V10 Lamborghini Huracan EVO Aperta Superleggera. That's a little too far, but it's an Aperta for sure. You ready for this?
Yep.
You excited?
Yep.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
And we're gonna hopefully get there in one piece. She doesn't have a lot of driving experience, let alone in a supercar, but that's what Dad's here for, to coach her. Follow Uncle Dave in the G-Wagon Lamborghini. This is your first official actual drive in this car with proper registration and insurance and everything.
Let off the gas and it really slows down, right? What?
The engine compression slows the car down. Take it on an angle, you're good. This car's not slammed. Give it just a little bit of gas. Don't do it crazy. It's like you can enjoy it. You can accelerate to the speed limit. You don't have to get there doing 10 kilometers an hour.
Feels a lot different than my Kia.
The Mia Kia Quesadilla. You're clear. No trains, planes, or automobiles.
That is good.
Yep. Catch up to Dave, please. Like we can at least do 50 kilometers an hour.
I'm nervous.
You gotta get. Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous because it feels so much faster, even though I'm going like 20.
Does it feel really that much quicker?
Yeah, to me, yes.
Well, it's the power, right? The torque. Power and torque. Later, suckers! Wow, it really didn't downshift there, did it? It's really smooth in auto. We're driving in auto for me at first. How you doing? You feel confident?
Yeah, no.
Did I hit it? Did I touch it?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a tiny bit.
How's Dave's driving?
Same as mine, I'd say.
It's not the same. You didn't hit a curb and you're never gonna hit a curb. Damn, your truck is jacked.
Just like me.
Why is it so much bigger? It's trying to
too
make
nervous.
up for something. Compensating.
For a small penis.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, just like that.
You're going on an incline. Let's go see what the Huracan's up to.
Oh!
Hey?
That looks good.
Gabe? That's bright. What do you think, Mia?
Holy.
How sick does that look? Guys, woo, it looks so good. All right, guys. Sam is just wrapping up the back end. We still have a bumper to do, but this car is completely transformed. I want to show you from a side profile because it looks insane. But first, I gotta get the attention of Dave and Mia. We're in the front seat of my car playing Race Shadow Legends. What the hell?
Yeah, because it's today's sponsor, you son of a.
Let's get straight to the game, you guys.
Let me ask you a question, Mia. You ever dreamt of fitting a truly AAA quality game in the comfort of your pocket? Something you just whip out at any time and play whenever you feel like it?
Yes, Dave, it keeps me up at night.
Well, now you can with Raid Shadow Legends.
I heard Raid's a tough game. It's got 10 challenging dungeons, each with a super tough boss that requires specific teams and strategies to beat, and that's just the start.
That's true, Mia. But if you care about the storylines, it's got an awesome, fully voiced campaign with 12 unique locations and 3 difficulties for you to dive into. And there are 13 unique factions like dwarves, orcs, the undead, or badass knights, and a ton more. With all those factions, Raid also has an incredible 460 champions, each totally unique with their own design skills and strengths.
No matter what you like, Raid's got something for you. Raid's super active with over 200,000 clans fighting and competing right now, and with over 25 million players, Raid's the hottest mobile game around, and it's only getting bigger.
Yes, Mia, you combine all those things and you get a game that has basically endless content and infinite ways to play, and there's never been a better time to get started. Raid is free to play and available on both mobile and desktop.
All right, Mia, you ready for this?
Yep.
Okay, check this out. First of all, notice the crazy graphics. These are epic champions right here. There's like over 400 to choose from. Looking at that one.
Calm down, Dave.
But look at the graphics, seriously. Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Pretty insane.
And this month, Raid's got their biggest ever update. The main event coming soon is the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 seriously bosses to take on. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I just can't wait to dive in. On top of that, they're also releasing 14 new awesome champions just in time for the holidays, along with a whole host of holiday events and tournaments. So what are you waiting for? You can find me under the username Dave_DDE or find Mia Baskin. Click on the link in the description, download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. If you're a new player, you'll get 50,000 silver, 50 gems, 1 energy refill, 1 clan boss key, 5 mystery shards, 1 day XP booster, and 1 free epic champion, the Shaman. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will be available only for new players and only for the next 30 days.
Battery died using my phone now. Can I get my phone back, please? I know you're addicted to Raid Shadow Legends, but we had a vlog to finish.
You guys, if you want to play with us, find me in the game, Mia Baskin.
I'm way better than Dave.
She's very good at it. Mia Baskin, and I'm Dave_DDE. Download Raid right now. See you in the game. Get back to the video. Give my phone back.
Nah.
Oh god.
Show the people, Sam. Let people know. This is a 3M satin fluorescent. And then it's glossy because it's been laminated, which makes it what? Thick, like me. Thick. That actually makes it more difficult to install, does it not?
Incredibly.
What are you doing?
Put the trim piece on.
Son of a... What are we gonna do with him, Anthony?
I don't know. Yeah, you do.
I'd be awful at installing vinyl. I would not be good. I don't have the patience. I don't have the finger work. Actually, my fingers work hard. Whatever happened to Emmett, the guy who won the Integra Type R? Can you just hit him up and see if we can randomly call him? Hey! Hey! How are you?
Good, good. How you doing?
Good. Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
Can you say VTech? You'll be VTeching all over Paris, Ontario.
Dude, how excited are you to get the Type R?
Oh my god, I'm super stoked, super stoked.
Have you ever won anything before?
Actually, yeah. Earlier this year, I won a pair of Jordans.
Oh, shit! Send those to us.
Dude, you want a pair of shoes that are worth the same amount as the Type R. Are you kidding me?
Should we tell them the really good news?
Yeah, tell them the really good news.
So guess what? Type R is coming to you. But guess what else is coming to you? Us. We're gonna deliver it in person.
Yeah, dude.
No way.
We're gonna stay at your house. We're gonna eat your food.
We're going to his house. What are we gonna find in your fridge?
You'll find some pasta. I'm Italian, so you'll.
Oh!
Dude, seriously, no joke? Pasta's my favorite food.
We can tell.
Yeah, makes me sick. What did you think when you heard you were the winner? What went through your mind?
Speechless. I watched the video, I'm gonna say 3-4 times before it actually, started turning in my brain. And ran downstairs, I was in my boxer still. My mom was like, what are you doing? I'm like, Mom, I just won a car. Me and my brother were downstairs, we were like losing it, man, losing it.
Hey, Emmett.
Awesome.
Take care, brother.
You guys.
Hey, dude. Peace. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
Car's going through the shop, make sure it's perfect. Let's get in detailed. Then in Canada, this car's on the other side of the country. It's like Seattle to New York. It's not close.
Yeah, it's really far.
So literally like 4 weeks probably to ship it. It's really slow in Canada.
There we go. We got the official winner of the ITR. And he's Italian and he's a pasta lover.
Give him the Lamborghini.
Yeah, we're not going that far. Sam is banging it out. Look at this.
Banging it out.
Banging it out, brother. It looks really sick. So check this out. Shot with Sam, but look. Boom. How insane does this car look?
Sorry.
Boom. How insane does this car look? Now, we still have the front bumper, the rear bumper. Sam's gonna bang that out tonight. We're gonna leave Sam to finish this. The bumper is really intricate. How many hours do you figure, Sam, the front bumper alone is gonna take? Because it's got quite a few angles.
3-4 hours.
3-4 hours. So the front bumper is way back here, and he's gonna dig into that sometime tonight or tomorrow. And we're gonna come by, pick up the car, and we're taking it to Fast Track Auto Body where the 720 is, and we're gonna get the car reassembled. So look at this. Imagine having to wrap all of this and all in here. We're doing a little something in here. I can't really talk about it yet, but this whole front bumper is gonna be completely done. This is a cool bumper. It's my favorite stock OEM bumper you've ever seen.
They killed it.
Got a huge front splitter. So I'm really excited to see this actually on the car. And this is what's gonna make the car make sense for you guys. I know right now, with no front bumper on it, doesn't make sense visually, but I promise you, once you see it all put together, it's going to be legendary, next level, first one of one in the entire world. Need to get out of Sam's hair.
Yeah, Sam also working. We're really distracting, believe it or not.
You don't say. We'll see you guys in a millisecond, and it'll be the next day. What's up, DD fam? We're back. I'm with Mia. We're in the Gallardo. We're on our way to Rapworks to finally get the Huracan APERTA. We gotta take it back to Fast Track Auto Body where they're gonna start the assembly process. I'm super excited. You guys are eventually gonna see the full reveal with the car, with the front bumper on it and everything, and wow, does it ever look different. But right now we're almost at Rapworks. Mia's doing an amazing job driving her Lamborghini. And remember, this is only like the third time ever driving her Lamborghini. Mia, you killed that parking spot.
Thank you.
I have the ultimate test for you now. You ready for this?
Oh gosh.
We are here at Rapworks. We are going to pick up the Huracan EVO APERTA, and we have to take it over to Fast Track Auto Body. Now, what I'm thinking is I make you drive the car.
Oh, I should have known.
You have to wear a helmet. It's kind of like riding a motorcycle while driving a car. You ever ridden a motorcycle?
No.
Oh, well then you have no idea what you're in for.
No.
You have to wear helmets. You're gonna hear the wind blowing by your ears. It's a little overwhelming. The problem for us is we only have on hoodies and sweaters. I'm gonna make you drive it. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. I'm pumped.
Dude, it's almost finished.
It's almost
Finally.
finished. I'm making Mia drive it over to Fast Track.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna make Mia drive it.
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because I'm nervous driving my car. I feel like this is worth triple the amount.
Yeah, not anymore, it's not. Look at the details in here, Damien.
Right? I love it. It looks so good. Oh crap. Maybe I'm the only one driving it. Maybe Mia will drive it and we'll just follow her. I don't. She doesn't even need my help. What do you think? You don't want to drive it alone?
No.
170 horsepower now?
840.
840.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's only rear wheel drive. What's the worst that can
It
happen?
only has one gear too.
Oh yeah. Look at the mirrors, man. Look at those mirrors. Those are gonna look good, hey? Throw those in the truck. You got that one?
Absolutely.
I love this one piece that's up on the dash.
Contrast against the black, it's awesome.
It looks super awesome. We'll throw these parts into Dave's G-Wagon. We're gonna put some heat in this engine, fire it up, get that supercharger going. Wee, 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 wee. All right, Mia, you gotta put some heat in this engine.
I'm driving it right now?
Well, yeah, you gotta start it first. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. This one, you put your foot on the brake, flip that up. Got a couple of helmets here. There we go. Go for it.
It's everywhere. And my earrings, they hurt.
That good? Yeah, you look good though. You look good. What do you think? You ready for this?
Oh God.
DD fan, baby. It's gonna be freezing in this thing. Look at this thing. Let's get you all situated.
Are we sure we want this in sport mode?
You want to go in Corsa? You want the crazy race mode? Okay, we'll go in the crazy race mode. Turns up the idle, makes things a little faster.
No.
Yeah, we'll go in Corsa mode. Never driven this car in Corsa mode because it scares the me, but you'll be good. You're gonna be fine. Don't go anywhere until Dad gets his seatbelt on. You're in Corsa mode. That's the best mode to be in.
Yeah.
Sport mode, you went back. What the heck?
I figured it out.
All right, let's go.
I'm so nervous.
Now you're good. You're killing it. There you go.
This is insane.
It's pretty crazy.
We gotta sing it out. Hey, Steve! What's up? Holy! How's it doing?
Oh, Mia, you're doing it, girl. Ah, guys, she's killing it. Right here. So slow right down and turn in here. Turn in. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah, take it on that angle and just go towards this door. And stop right here. Oh!
My feet are on fire. You turn up the heat so goddamn hot in here.
Oh yeah, I got the heat blazing so that we stay warm. Feel the heat.
Yeah, my feet are on fire.
So in this car, this is park, hit park. That takes it out of gear. And then this, you're gonna pull up. That's your park brake. Pull that up. And now all you gotta do is flick this back up. And you survived.
Nice job.
Hey?
Good driving.
Is that me, yeah?
Nerve-wracking.
Was it?
I can see sh.
Looks like
You watch your mouth, young lady. I heard that swear word.
She's the first person to drive this car with the new wrap color and supercharged. I haven't even driven a supercharged.
Construction guys were going nuts.
Those guys are going crazy, weren't they?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. Bang it up, boys.
How's my hair? How's my hair?
Well, you got here, you lucky son.
Door handles are like this. You just pull that. Pull the metal. There you go. We'll get it put back together.
Weight reduction.
This is, hands down, one of the funnest driving experiences ever.
Oh,
like,
dude.
what's it like driving this thing?
It's crazy.
Right?
Crazy. I'm speechless.
What do you think of the color?
Looking sharp, man. Where's the windshield?
I don't know.
You tell us.
You tell us.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Son of a I said I wanted a slight modification. This is what he does.
That's it.
The window tint, not window delete.
Oh.
You know, I was thinking if you were cold on the way over here, you had like cold hands, right? You should have worn my driving gloves that matched the car I bought. We got it all, girl.
Wear them right now.
You can wear them. Put them on. Put them on. Put them on. Put them on. See how those go with the fingernails. Okay, guys. So we're at Fast Track. The guys are gonna put the whole kit car back together. They're gonna start with all the little bits and pieces. There's a lot that has to go into putting this together. And then we're gonna get the front bumper and the rear bumper back from Wrapworks. But thanks for watching today's video. Smash the subscribe button, and that's it. This car's good to go. It's rear-wheel drive. It's super light, and we're gonna have some epic adventures and a crazy reveal. So stay tuned for that video. Hit it with the gloves. See you guys.
Smash the subscribe button.
Boom.
Is this a Cullinan? Where'd you get this from?
Pardon me.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any gray poupon?
This thing's purple inside? That's sick, man. This is like straight Strad specs. Cullinan, look at this. This thing is crazy. I'd take it without the cracked windshield. How did that happen? Holy crap.
That's shipping damage from the factory.
For real?
Yeah.
How expensive is this windshield?
No idea, but it took 6 weeks to get. This is the one I was telling you to raise and put wheels on.
Oh, this is the one you want to turn into an off-road machine.
Do it.